mental ability. See, this consists of only pictures, picture problems. And how many questions they will give in the exam means they will give 40 questions. Each question carries 1.25 marks. And total marks is 40 questions into 1.25 means total 50 marks. Clear? Part 1. Next, coming to the part 2. See, that is maths. Maths section will be there. Clear? See here, they will give 20 questions. Coming to the marks, marks are same for each question, 1.25 marks. Total marks is 25 marks. Clear? Coming to the last part, that is part 3. This is language test. Nothing but English. See here, they will give only passages, English passages, no grammar. Remember this one. Here, no grammar will come. Okay. Only they will give passages. Here also same thing. 20 questions will be there. Each question carries 1.25 marks. Total 25 marks. Understood? 3 parts. And see here, remember this one. How many questions and how many marks total means? See, total questions. (40, 20, 20) means 80 questions. Coming to the marks, 100 marks. Clear? Sheetal, what is the doubt?
Sir?
Yeah, what is the doubt?
Sir, language test, they will give only questions, sir?
No. See, they will give question and also options will be there.
Yes, sir, I know they will give the, like this, no, sir, in the passage they will give little, questions also, sir, answer also, sir?
Yeah. Okay, see, they will give questions and also they will give options. Answers they will means they will give 4 options. You need to select correct one. That is multiple choice questions. Clear? Question. See, first they will give the passage. For that passage, they will give the questions. Okay, for that question, options will be there. 4 options. You need to select correct one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understood? Now the syllabus. No doubts, I think. 3 parts will be there. Mental ability, maths, and language test. Next, we will move on to Sainik syllabus. See, this is Sainik school exam syllabus. Okay. See, in this actually 4 sections will be there. In Navodaya only 3. Here it is 4 sections. Or we call it as 4 parts or 4 sections. Okay. See, in this section 1. That is maths. First part will be maths. In the maths, they will ask 50 questions. Remember, each question carries 3 marks. Total marks 150. Clear? Section 1. 50 question. Each question carries 3 marks. Second section. See, that is English. See, here both things will be there. One is grammar plus passage. In Navodaya, they will give only passages, but in Sainik school, they will give grammar and also passage. Here, 25 questions will be there in this section. How many questions? 25 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total 50 marks. 25 into 2, that is 50. Clear? Section 2. Coming to the section 3. See, section 3 is GK. GK means general knowledge. Here it consists of, see, questions which comes from science background. They will ask the questions from your science chapters and also social. Means you need to read science and also social. How many questions from this section? 25 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total 50 marks. And fourth section. That is intelligence test. See, in this section, I did one chapter, that is coding and decoding. Okay. See, that chapter will come under this section only. Intelligence test. Here also same thing. 25 questions will be there. Each question carries 2 marks. Total 50 marks. So in Sainik school, total questions from all the sections, if you add means, say 50, 50, 100 plus 25. 125 questions. Total marks, that is 300 marks. See, this is the Sainik syllabus. Pruthvika is having doubt, okay. Tej Kiran, that is your wish, okay. See, he is asking, sir, we should attend all the exams. See, that is your wish. Okay, if you want to write Navodaya, you can write Navodaya. Or if you want to write Sainik, you can write Sainik. See, if you are preparing for Sainik means, okay, so you can write any kind of exam. Why? Because it includes all the syllabus. It covers everything. But in Navodaya, see, it is not like that. In Navodaya, you won't get English grammar. In Navodaya, you won't get social science like that. Okay. Compared to Sainik, Navodaya is easy. But you won't get the knowledge. Okay, that is the difference between Navodaya and Sainik. And also coming to the Sainik schools, okay, they are far more better than the Navodaya schools. Okay. See, in Sainik school, you are having so many facilities compared to Navodaya. Clear? See, it is very good one. And one more school is there, that is RMS. Both are same. Sainik syllabus, okay. See, one more school is there, that is Rashtriya Military School. Same syllabus. Sainik syllabus and RMS syllabus are both are same. Okay. See, both are very good schools. Sainik and RMS. See, even Navodaya is also good. Okay. I am not neglecting that one. But compared to Navodaya, these are tops one. Sainik and RMS. Actually, RMS is very top. Why? Because in Karnataka, we are having only one school in Bangalore. Okay, RMS. That too only 80 seats. Okay. Competition will be very high. And if you prepare for Sainik and RMS means you can easily write Navodaya. Okay. This syllabus is nothing in front of this syllabus. Okay. Yeah. Someone is asking doubt. Pruthvika was asking doubt. Yeah. Pruthvika, what is the doubt? Pruthvika, yeah.
Sir, in Navodaya exam, intelligence test syllabus will be not there, sir.
No. Intelligence test will be not there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I did one chapter in intelligence test. That is coding and decoding. Okay. And also from English, I did some part of grammar. Right? Okay. See, I did these two things. English and also intelligence test. I have not started any maths part and also I have not started GK. Sadhvi, same doubt, okay. Yeah, in education, Tej Kiran, I told now, Sainik is very good. Sainik, okay. Compared to Sainik, RMS is very good. RMS is top one. Okay. So you can search in the internet, you will come to know. That too, in Bangalore RMS, it is topmost school in India, not in Karnataka. Okay. You can search in the internet. RMS. How is RMS? Okay. People here don't know. That is the problem. They don't know the exam also. Okay. They only know this one, Navodaya. Nobody knows about this Sainik and RMS. Okay. See, every kind of sports, so many facilities. Okay. Horse riding, so many things will be there in this Sainik and also in RMS. Okay. They give so many facilities. Yeah, fine. See, if you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Kishan Pallav, okay. Kishan, what is the doubt? Yeah.
RMS ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಸರ್?
No, separate. Okay, RMS exam is separate, Sainik school exam is separate. But syllabus is same.
ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಸರ್?
Yeah.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು RMS ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಸರ್?
ಬದ್ಲು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಎರಡು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ.
ಸರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅದಂಗೆ ಸರ್,
Sorry,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? RMS
same syllabus. I told now, see here, ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಓದ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ಅದೇ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ RMS ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
ಗ್ರಾಮರ್, ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್.
Yes, grammar, maths, GK, intelligence test.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yeah.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
See, you do one thing. See here, yeah, in Bangalore, RMS is in Bangalore. Okay, Sainik is in Bijapur and Kodagu. In Karnataka, I am talking. See, you do one thing. Write all the 3 exams. Okay, ನೀವೇನ್ ಗಂಟ್ ಕೊಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ. Exam ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ಬರೀರಿ. Right, Navodaya. See, first preference give RMS. Okay, it is good one. Second, give Sainik. Okay. Third one, you can write Navodaya. Write all the exams. And even some Karnataka schools exams are there. That is Morarji. You can write that one also. Okay, Morarji Desai, and also Adarsh school. Okay, see, these many exams are there. Write all the exams. Don't worry. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ RMS ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ RMS ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನವೋದಯ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ನವೋದಯ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಶ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Okay, fine. We will start the class. If you are having any doubts, you can message me or WhatsApp me, okay? Regarding schools or exams, exam ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾಯ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್? ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್? ಯಾ ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ?
Sir, if we are studying Navodaya, we should not write intelligence notes and English grammar notes, sir.
See, I will tell that one later. Okay, what to do, I will inform you everything. You do one thing, see, for time being, okay, write everything. Clear? Write English, write intelligence test, all the things. Okay, clear? ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. See, keep separate notes for this. Okay, see, 4 sections are there, means keep 4 separate books. 4 book ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, notes ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Coming to the Navodaya, see, keep only 2 books enough, maths and language test. Okay, keep 2 books, maths and language test. And also, see, one more thing, see, ಇದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನಿಕಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವ್ದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾ, ಮೈ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ Sainik school book, I think. Okay. Yeah. Naomi, what is the doubt?
Sir, RMS exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಸರ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಒನ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್.
ಹೇಳ್ದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟಾಪ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ಒನ್. See here, just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, see, one of the CM, okay, I forgot his name. Okay, he studied there only. Okay, it's good one, RMS. I will tell you that later. I forgot his name. Okay, yeah, fine. See, we will discuss summary, yesterday's summary. Okay. Yeah, so who is going to explain? Sheetal, wait. Yeah, Hari Chandan.
Sir, yesterday's classification of nouns, sir.
Okay, see, we learned about classification of nouns. Okay.
There are two types of nouns, sir.
Okay.
Countable noun and uncountable noun.
Very good. Countable and uncountable.
Countable means we can count.
Okay, so we can count persons or we can count things. Okay, give example.
Example, book, pen, apple, sister.
Okay, book, pen. Okay, fine. Uncountable.
We cannot count.
Okay, example.
Milk, oil, sugar.
Yeah, milk, oil, sugar. Okay.
So next, singular and plural.
Yeah, coming to the noun, I have written noun there and the number. Depending upon the number, we classified, no? Yeah, first one is singular.
Singular and plural.
What do you mean by singular and plural?
So singular is standing for one person.
Yeah, so singular means one
Standing
person
for
or one,
one
yeah, one person or one thing will be there.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Plural
Can you give me
means
the example?
example.
Ravi.
Ravi, sir.
Ravi. See, that is proper noun, okay, fine. You can write, but we can't write two Ravis, no? Two Ravis will not be there. Okay. That is, see, that is also right one, but that is not the proper one. Can you give any other example?
Pen.
Yeah, you can give pen. Next.
Plural means a noun standing for more than one.
Yeah, so more than one.
Pens.
Very good. And see, you can give boy also, no? Boy is a noun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the plural?
Boys.
Very good.
So
Okay.
next the noun gender.
Yeah, so we discussed about noun gender, no?
Yes, sir. A noun indicates male or female.
Not noun, man. Gender.
Gender indicates a noun
Yeah.
male or female.
Gender indicates whether that
Male or
noun is male or
female.
female. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So
There
in
are,
this
There are 4 types of gender, sir.
4 types. Okay.
Masculine gender,
First one,
masculine gender,
masculine gender. Okay.
feminine gender,
Feminine gender. Okay.
common gender,
Common gender. Okay.
neuter gender.
Very good. See, remember the spelling. Okay. Neuter.
Masculine gender stands for mainly to male.
Yeah. So this is related to male.
Yes, sir.
Example,
boy, grandfather.
boy, or you can give father.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the feminine.
Mainly to female.
Yeah, so it is related to female. Can you give the example?
Girl, mother.
Girl and mother. Okay, coming to common.
Sir, you didn't say.
Yeah, right. See, we have not completed this one. Okay. Common
Yes,
and not neuter is not over. Masculine is over and feminine is over.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Your name, man? Harichandan.
Harichandan, sir.
You are from which place?
Ballari.
Oh, okay. Ballari. Which school, man? In which school you are studying?
BBK, Balabharti Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Okay, I have not at that school. Yeah, that school is good one, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So it is in Ballari only or
Ballari only, sir.
in Ballari district?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very hot place, no? Ballari.
No, sir.
Especially in summer, 42-degree will be there, no man?
Yes, sir.
Too hot compared to our place, Chitradurga. Okay, yours is too hot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, these things got over. Today we'll discuss what is common gender and neuter gender. Be ready. In a few minutes, we are going to learn that one also. Common and neuter. Yeah, so English grammar. Common gender. See, what is this common gender means? We can't say whether it is a male or female. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತರ ನೌನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Got it? We can't say, okay, whether it is a male or female. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಸಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಹುಡುಗನ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತ. ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. That's why friend is example for common gender. Coming to the cousin, see, it may be cousin brother or cousin sister, no? Okay, cousin ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಕಸಿನ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಸಿನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹುಡುಗನ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? Yeah, those kind of words are called as common genders. Okay, they will come under this section, common genders. Coming to the pupil, pupil ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? Disciple or ಶಿಷ್ಯ. Okay, ಶಿಷ್ಯ. Especially in Bangalore, they will use this word shishya, very famous one. When I went to Bangalore, okay, I heard this word very frequently. Shishya, yen shishya, very famous in Bangalore. Macha and shishya, okay, both are very famous. If you ask college students there, means they will use this word compulsory. Shishya or macha. Okay, yeah, see, pupil means shishya here. Okay, see, ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಅದು ಹುಡುಗನೋ ಶಿಷ್ಯನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಷ್ಯನೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಹುಡುಗಿನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್, ಸಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮದರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ genders. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Shall I move on to next one? See, just write this one. Either male or female, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. It may be either male or female. Just remember this one, enough. No need to buy at all the sentences. You can frame your own sentences. If you understand, you can frame your sentences. Next, neuter gender. See, these genders, neither male or female. Ido gandu alla athwa hennunu alla. Means, see, things will come, okay? See, things without life. Means, see, this is neither male, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡು ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ವಸ್ತುಗಳು. ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಫ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್. ಸಿ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ಗಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? No, it is not possible. That's why it is a neuter gender. Okay, coming to the chair, can you say whether it is a male or female chair? Athara enadru idiya? Male chair or female chair anta heli? No, it is not like that. Coming to the ball, we can't say, right? See, knife, there is no male and female. Okay, understood? Neuter. See, neuter ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ಇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಿನಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಕ್ಕಾರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನೋ ತಟಸ್ಥ, ತಟಸ್ಥ, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್, ಚೇರ್, ಬಾಲ್, ನೈಫ್. ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್. Clear? Any doubts? See, gender part is over. Okay, 4 types of gender is over. One is masculine gender. Masculine gender means male. Feminine gender means female. Okay, common gender means it may be male or female. We can't say. Coming to the neutral gender, it is not male and it is not female. Neither male nor female. Clear? That is neutral gender. Yeah, see, this is the list of masculine and feminine gender. Before that, see, I will give one list now. Masculine and feminine genders for this one. Okay, before that, you should know what is the meaning of prefix and suffix. See, iveredu word ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬಹಳ important. Prefix. The word prefix. Second one, the word suffix. Any idea what is prefix and suffix? You can raise the hand. No idea. Okay, fine. See here. What do you mean by prefix means? See, ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, they are called prefix. For example, see here, I will give example. If I write happy, what is the opposite word? Unhappy, right? See, ಇವೆರಡು ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. This is called prefix. ಓಕೆ, ವರ್ಡ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್, ಸಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್? ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್. ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. This is called as suffix. Understood? Word ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ prefix. Word ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ suffix. Clear? See, this is very, very important. ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, especially in computer science, they will use this word prefix and suffix. Very, very important. ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಕೆಲವರು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿ, ಕೆಲವರು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾಜು ಎಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಜು ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋದು. ಸಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾ, ನೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಯನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಯನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಇದು ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್. Okay, see, this is the masculine gender. So what is the feminine gender for this? Feminine. Okay, feminine gender, lioness. Understood? See, this is male lion and this is female lion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see here, Try to understand. We are adding suffix. What we are adding? ESS. Try to understand. See ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ESS ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಹ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಗಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ, ಇದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಹ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುವರಾಜ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯುವರಾಣಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೀರೋ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು INE ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಸಿ ESS ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. This is also suffix. Okay, heiress. Here also we are a suffix. Understood? See, in these words, what we are doing means we are adding suffix. Which suffix? One is ESS and another one is INE. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡು. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಣು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ. ಸಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಗಂಡು ಗುಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಕಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇದು ಕಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಂದೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಗುಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಹೆನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೋಟ್, ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಿ ಇದು ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮದರ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಸಿ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಹಾಲ್ ಮಾರೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡಸರಿಗೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗಸರಿಗೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸಿ ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತರ ಬಾಯ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹೆನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ವುಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಲೇಡಿ, ಅಂಕಲ್, ಆಂಟ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬುಲ್, ಕೌ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್. ಸಿ ನೆಫ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಗ ಅಥವಾ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ನೆಫ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಫ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗಳು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. Understood? See, gender part is over and this completes noun. See, noun ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೌನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೌನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ 100%. ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೌನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. See for yeah, just a minute. Danvita.
Sir,
Okay. See, you attended in the beginning classes, like when I started with grammar.
yes, sir.
Okay. See, we will do the revision. Okay. And also one more thing. See, for everyone, I am telling tomorrow and day after tomorrow means evening 7 o'clock test will be there. 2 tests will be there. One is on Saturday and one is on Sunday evening 7 o'clock. It will be on English grammar. Complete English grammar. Okay. Complete English grammar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So we will do the revision. Okay. Yeah. Tell me one by one. Danvita. We will go very fast. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Grammar. What is grammar fast?
Sir, sir, we should see grammar meaning.
Yeah. Grammar meaning. That's
Sir,
why I
that
asked.
one, sir, that one you not said, sir. I attended from vowels and consonants. You told and given us, sir.
Okay. Fine. See,
Sir, from there
I will
was.
explain this one. Set of rules.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Set of rules are nothing but grammar. Coming to the language. Okay. Yeah. So language helps in communication. If you want to communicate, we need one language. Coming to the alphabet and alphabets, what is the difference?
Sir, alphabet means one letter.
No, it is not like that. Okay. See, there is no such word called alphabets. Alphabets anta word illa. Okay. See, alphabet means it's a group of letters. Okay. Group of letters. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Alphabets ಅಂತ word use ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ನಾವು. Okay. We should use the word letters. Okay. There is no word called alphabets. Next, letter. So this is a symbol. Okay. And coming to the 5 rules. See, I told 5 rules, no? When to use capital letters.
Sir, in
Did-
the starting of the sentence.
Yeah. I told 5 rules there. Yeah, in the starting of the sentence. Okay. See, I'm just going very fast now. Yeah. Vowels, tell me. Fast. How
Sir,
many vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Yeah. So A, E, I, O, U. Fine. Next.
Sir, consonants 21.
Yeah. See here, vowels 5 are there and consonants 21 are there. Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
Next, semi-vowels. Mm-hmm.
Two letters, sir.
Which one?
Sir, Y and W.
Very good. Next, semi-consonant.
Semi-consonants is H.
Very good. Okay. So we discussed the letter is over. What do you mean by word?
So word means a group of letters.
Yeah. Group of letters which gives meaning, no?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by sentence?
Group of words.
Yeah. Which gives complete meaning.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next one.
Sir, types of sentence. Inaugurative.
Hey. What is that one?
Sir, interrogative. Sir, it is a sentence which
Okay.
has direct questions.
Yeah. So it indicates question.
Yes, sir.
Questions
Sir,
and
it
also
contains
question mark
question
will be there. Okay. Next one.
Yes, sir. Declarative sentence.
Yeah. What do you mean by declarative sentence?
Sir, it is a statement. It is a
Yeah.
statement.
Okay. Normal statement will be there.
Sir, it contains full stop.
Yeah. Full stop will be there.
Sir, and it is also called as assertive sentence.
Yeah. Very good. It is also called as assertive. Next one, exclamatory.
Exclamatory, it contains.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, it is the strong emotion, sir.
Yeah. So it indicates emotion plus exclamatory
Plus,
symbol will be there.
exclamatory mark.
Okay. Next, imperative.
Imperative, it is a request or order.
Very good. Or order. Mm-hmm. Next.
Negative, it contains not or no in the sentence.
Very good. Super.
Sir, next is subject and predictive.
Predicate. Okay. Subject and predicate. Okay. Yeah. Subject.
The part we are speaking about.
Okay. The part we are speaking about.
Yes, sir.
Part we are speaking about.
Sir.
Very good. Next, what about predicate?
The part which tells something about.
Yeah. Part which tells something about subject, na?
Yes, sir.
Subject ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
phrases, it is the part of the sentence
Okay. Part of sentence.
which has sense but not complete sense, no, sir.
Yeah. Very good. It's a part of sentence which gives, which makes sense but not complete.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ but not complete meaning. Okay.
Yes,
Not
sir.
complete sense.
Sir, clause,
Okay. Class.
it is the group of the sentence which
Mhm.
contains subject and predicate.
Yeah. This is also a part of sentence which
Sir, which contains subject and predicate.
yeah. See, it includes subject and
Predicate.
predicate. Very good. Next one.
Parts of speech.
See, in subject. Okay. Fine. Next one. Parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there?
8, sir.
Yeah. Very good. 8 are there. See.
Sir, sir, first one is noun.
Okay.
Noun is the name of person, animal, place, or thing.
Okay. See, what is noun means? It's a name of
Person,
person,
animal,
animal,
place, or thing.
place, or thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, this one is over, no? Noun is over. This is not
Yes.
over. These things not over.
Sir, only noun is over, sir.
Yeah, only noun is over.
Sir, next is kinds of nouns.
Very good.
Sir, first one is common noun.
Okay. What is common noun?
The common noun is the name given in common to every person or thing.
Example.
Example, shoes,
Okay.
boy, bridges.
Yeah, boy, bridges you can take. You can take teacher also. Okay. Yeah. Proper noun.
The proper noun is the special name given for particular person
Example.
or place. Example, Sita, Shirin.
See, I will write Dhanvita. Any problem?
Sir, and India also it will come, sir.
Yeah, Dhanvita is from India. Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, next one, abstract.
abstract noun. Sir, it is the quality, action, state, feeling.
Yeah, it will indicate quality,
Action,
action,
state,
state,
feeling.
feeling.
Sir, for quality, kindness,
Very good.
action, sir, action, law. Action is judgment.
Yeah, you can give judgment. That is also
State
abstract
is
noun.
childhood.
Yeah, see, childhood, it is the abstract noun. Okay. Feeling.
Sir, for feeling pain or happiness.
Yeah, you can give pain. See, this word is abstract noun. Yeah, collective noun.
Sir, collective noun, it is the name of a number of people or things considered as one.
Yeah, or else you can write it like this, no? Name given to the group of person or thing.
Yes, sir. Sir, for example, group of soldiers is army.
Yeah, so army is collective noun.
Crowd.
Yeah, you can write crowd also.
Yes, sir.
Material noun.
Sir, the thing made up of silver, gold, iron, cotton.
Things which are made up of.
Silver.
Okay, so example.
Sir, example is silver,
Silver.
gold.
Yeah, see, ವಸ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ,
This
ಮತ್ತೆ
ring is made up of gold.
yeah, glass. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Or you can write wood also.
Yes, sir.
Chair, tables, they are made up of wood.
Yes, sir. Sir, next is classification of nouns.
Okay, classification of nouns. Two are there, countable and uncountable.
Sir, countable is we can count.
Okay, here we cannot.
Yes, sir.
See, we cannot able to count.
Yes, sir. Sir, example for countable noun is
Mhm.
book, pen.
Okay, book, pen.
Uncountable is milk, oil.
Okay,
Sir, ink, etc. Sir.
yeah. You can write that one. Next.
Sir, for singular.
Okay. See, the noun means, okay, number will come. Number means you can indicate whether the noun is one or more than one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if it is one, we call it as.
Singular.
If it is more than one,
Plural.
example.
Sir, example for singular, book.
Okay.
Example for plural, it is books.
Okay, very good.
Sir, if we take child means we should write children.
Very good. See, child is the singular
Yes, sir.
and children is the plural. What about fish?
Sir, fish. Sir, for fish, fish only, sir.
Very good. See, for fish, fish only. Okay, plural will be same only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so last part, I think, right? Gender and its types.
Yes, sir.
What is gender? The word
Sir,
which
gender.
indicates.
Whether male or female.
Very good. Masculine means.
Sir, only male.
Example.
Example, uncle,
Okay.
uncle, boy.
Yeah, uncle, boy. Female. This one masculine.
Sir,
Sorry, for feminine.
sir, for feminine, aunt, girl.
Yeah. Okay. Next, common.
Sir, common means don't know whether it is male or female.
Yeah. See, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲು ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
Example.
Cousin, friend.
Yeah, you can write baby also, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, next is neuter, sir.
Yeah, neuter.
Sir, it is neither male or female.
Very good. Neither male or female.
Sir, best example for this gender is things.
Things. Okay, give one example. Things.
Sir, table, chair.
Yeah. Okay, very good, Dhanvita.
Thank you, sir.
And also thanks for your patience.
Sir.
Yeah, very good. Clear? See, we did complete revision. Day 1 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. Okay, you can watch this video again. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow test will be there on this topic only. ನಾನು ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿನೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವೇನೇನ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ 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 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಏನೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀಟಾಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ, ಏನೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಇಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಸಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 8:15 I think. See, actually quiz is there. 10 questions are there. Okay, not 5, 10 questions are there. And see, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಇದೇ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 100% 10 out of 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್.